Now we have to discuss already multi-stage small topic in another video. Here multi-stage amplifier classification have to discuss. That is, classification has different types. Here we have to discuss based on coupling, feedback and frequency. We have to classify it. So two type of multi-stage amplifier, that is two type of multi-stage amplifier based on the frequency range, based on the coupling we have to discuss. That is, based on coupling we have to discuss direct coupled, RC coupled, transformer coupled. Based on stages, stages, single stage amplifier, multi-stage amplifier. Based on primary functions, based on multi-stage amplifier, based on RC coupled, transformer coupled. Based on frequency, based on feedback. Actually we have to classify the just amplifier, not multi-stage amplifier, based on a coupling, direct, RC coupled, transformer coupled. Based on feedback, positive feedback, negative feedback amplifier. Negative feedback, further we have to classify voltage, current shunt, current series, voltage series, voltage shunt. Based on the frequency range, audio range, radio range. Audio range we know that 20 to 20 kilohertz, radio range 50 kilohertz to 100 megahertz. Video range up to, we know that video frequency range up to megahertz, few megahertz. Ultra frequency range. Based on other one also is there, based on period of conduction, that is class A, class B, class AB, class C. Class A is a working angle is 360, class A. Class B is 180 degrees. Class AB is 180 to 360 degrees. Class C less than 180 degrees. Next, based on the primary function, input signal applied, small signal amplifier, large signal amplifiers. For small signal we already discussed, input level is very low, so it is also called voltage amplifier. For large signal amplifier, the input level we have to apply is higher, so it is called the power amplifier also. It is also called the power amplifier. So that is a main important criteria of classification of amplifiers. Classification of the amplifiers. So what is the need of multi-stage amplifier? We have to discuss the next stage. Need of multi-stage amplifier. Gain of single stage amplifier is insufficient for some application like TV receiver, communication receiver, extra. The required number of amplification stage may be 6 or more. To increase the gain by the output of each amplifier stage, is coupled into the next of the input of the next stage, so gain can be increased. The amplifier circuit which contain more than one stage of amplification is known as multi-stage amplifier. Amplifier circuit contain more than one stage of amplifier is known as multi-stage amplifier. In multi-stage amplifier, single stage amplifier connected in cascade arrangement. Cascading means connection of output of first stage to the input of the second stage through the suitable coupling device, and so on. The coupling device are generally capacitor, transformer. So first stage coupling device, second stage, third stage. Purpose of coupling here we use in multi-stage is to connect one stage to another, to transfer AC output of the one stage to input of the second stage, to isolate the DC condition of one stage from the second stage, to reduce or eliminate the loading effect. Main purpose is to eliminate loading effect, for isolation purpose, for transfer of AC output to input of the second stage. So that is the requirement of the multi-stage amplifier. So black diagram we have is first stage, second stage, in between coupling device, again second stage, coupling device, third stage, like that, and we get the output. So we have to define the gain, frequency response, bandwidth of the this multi-stage amplifier. Gain means output of electrical quantity to the input electrical quantity is called the gain. Gain may be voltage gain, current gain. Gain may be voltage gain, current gain, and power gain. Voltage gain into power gain is called voltage gain into current gain is called power gain. Gain can be measured with a decibel. For easing purpose, we have to use decibel here, dB in bracket, dB. Generally dB means decibel. Unit is bell or decibel. Decibel is defined as the 10 times of logarithm of base 10 is called decibel. Bell is defined as common logarithm of base 10. So power gain can be defined in terms of decibel is 10 log 10 P out by Pn. Current gain is 20 log 10 P I out by Ia. Voltage gain is 20 log 10 V out by Vn. Is the in terms of decibel. Bandwidth. What is the definition of bandwidth? The difference between upper cutoff to the lower cutoff is called a bandwidth. It is also called 3 dB frequency or gain at which equal to or greater than 70.7% maximum gain is called bandwidth. That is called F1, F2 is called the frequency lower cutoff and upper cutoff is called 3 dB frequency or half power frequency. Frequency response. Frequency response is defined. Plot drawn between the gain and a signal frequency is known as frequency response. Is known as a frequency response. The bandwidth also called 3 dB frequency, where gain is almost constant. For lower and upper, the gain will be reduces because so many problems occur in the amplifier. So many problems occur in the amplifier. So we have to discuss the two-stage RC coupled amplifier, which is very useful circuit, most commonly used, widely used in cascaded stages. In cascaded stages, most widely used. So we have to already know that CE amplifier, common emitter amplifier, which is already explained. C amplifier has R1, R2, RL, RE. R1, R2 is the voltage dividing and resisting network. Voltage dividing and resistive network. RL capacitive network. RL is a load. RE is a stabilizing resistor. RE is a stabilizing resistor. C is a bypass capacitor. Okay. VCC, here in this circuit there is a one supply voltage, that is VCC plus VCC is applied. We are applying plus VCC at the collector of the two regions. Okay. So we have to discuss this. Here CC is a coupling device between two stages. First stage and second stage. Why we are using CC here is to couple or to isolate between two sections, to isolate between two sections. Cin is the input coupling capacitor which fed the input through this, and Cc is the output capacitor, coupling capacitor, which we take output across it. Okay, we know that working of this is RE is a stabilized resistor. Without RE, circuit cannot be used because it gives the negative feedback to the input. So input voltage is reduced at the base terminal, so gain is reduced. To overcome this problem, we have to use C bypass capacitor in parallel with this. For AC signal, it is shorted so that there is no a negative feedback effect appear across this RE. There is no negative feedback effect appear across RE. So there is no voltage drop across it because of the short circuited. So working we have to discuss is, whenever input signal applied at the base through through the Cin coupling capacitor, this allows the input signal, the variation in input signal produce the variation in the collector signal collector, which is amplified signal we have to get. This amplified signal given to the base of the second stage through the coupling capacitor Cc, so that the amplified signal, which is more value than input, is given base to the second stage. So the base of the second stage is more input than the base of the first stage. So this more input applied at the base of second stage, it further amplified by second stage, so we get the more voltage at the second stage. So VCC is the DC biasing to this whole circuit. Okay, this is the working of the two-stage RC coupled amplifier. We have to discuss the frequency response curve of this RC coupled amplifier. This is the frequency response curve of the RC coupled amplifier. At lower end and at higher end, there is a drastically decrease in the gain. So that is a major problem of this circuit. So why this gain is decreased at lower end and at higher end? But even though it decreases at lower end and higher end, we have to use this circuit is suitable for audio range 50 to 20 kilohertz, which is our voice signal. So we can use this is an audio frequency amplifier. No problem, even though there is a higher and lower frequency is decreases. So that is the main application of the circuit. So gain versus frequency is called frequency response of circuit. So at below 50 kilohertz, gain is drastically decreases because of capacitive reactance definition is Xc equal to 1/2π Fc. At low, we discuss Xc. Xc means capacitive reactance. For F value equal to 0, substitute F equal to 0 in this equation, we get the capacitive reactance is infinity. So infinity, so at the base Cin, the capacitive reactance is infinity means open circuited. So there is no input is giving it allowing to the base. So it does not allow the input signal to the base, so it is open, the gain is lesser. When this frequency is increasing slowly, what will happen? Gain is increasing up to 50 Hz. After 50 Hz, the impedance is very low. So gain is constant. In mid frequency gain is a constant. In mid frequency gain almost constant, because mid frequency range voltage gain amplifier constant due to the reactance of coupling capacitor will be very small, that is can be neglected. So our range of amplifier is uniform gain. At above 20 kilohertz high frequency range, called high frequency range of input signal increases, the gain of amplifier decreases. Two important factors are responsible for this reduction of gain. First one is inter-electrode capacitance appear between the junctions base to emitter, collector to base. There is a and a collector to emitter. Three capacitor will shunted. Inter-electrode capacitor will appear because of the high frequency. So due to this shunting effect at high frequency, input and output side, because of this shunting effect, voltage gain is reduced at high frequency. And other condition is why it is the gain is reduced, because other condition is why gain is reduced is because of reactance of coupling capacitor CC is very small. It behaves short circuited. At a very high frequency it is purely short circuited. At very low it is open circuited. In between it is connected, small resistor. So at a very high frequency it is short circuited. So CC coupling capacitor it is shorted. There is no isolation between stage 1 and stage 2. So RC will RC means load resistor is parallel with R1, resistor of R1 of second stage. So these two parallel connection makes the circuit more typical, and it reduces the voltage gain at the base. So output voltage is further reduces. So gain will be decreases. That is a major problem of at high frequency. So advantage is frequency response is excellent, very simple circuit, cost is low because resistor capacitor are cheap. Disadvantage voltage, low voltage and power gain. They have tendency to become noisy with age. Impedance matching is pure it because output impedance of RC coupled amplifier is several hundred ohms. The application is public address system. RC coupled amplifier have excellent audio fidelity over a wide range of frequency. Therefore, they widely use a voltage amplifier. That is pre-amplifier stage. RC coupled amplifier is used. Okay. With this, we have to end this section. With this, we have to end the session. Thank you, everyone. Failed play.